Hey guys, Clint here. Thanks for watching IOG Tech. Today we're going to be unboxing my new PC case. This is going to be for the Coffee Lake build series that I'm filming right now. I went with a brand I've never purchased before. It's called Mean. This is a cube case, and this cube case is called the 4PM. It's quite a big box, quite heavy. Let me show you. I know you can't see all of it, but there's some of it. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, here it is. The last box to open before we can get building this PC. This is the 4PM case from a company called Mean. First time I'm their customer. But, videos and pictures look pretty cool online. So let's get this thing open, and I'll show you guys what I thought looked pretty cool. Right. Knife. This is how it shipped, by the way. It wasn't in a bigger box or anything, it just showed up like this. Alright, so just real quick, here's one side of the case, 4PM see-through excellence. Here's the other side, has some dimensions on it. Yet again another side. So it advertises the 3 sides of tempered glass, direct airflow, extensive water cooling support, auto manual fan speed control, up to 12 fans, yada yada. Let's see, there's the other side, again dimensions. That's the bottom. You guys are looking at the front. Man, that's pretty. So there's the front. It's tempered glass. It has zoom in a little bit. It's tempered glass, so you can see that shining there, catching the glare. It has 4 large fans in the front that have blue Rgb lighting when it's powered on. Looks really slick. Turn it on the side here. You can catch that shimmer again. Tempered glass on the side. So right here you've got a couple of USB 3 ports, a couple of USB 2 ports. Looks like you've got a mic and headphone in, and a fan controller. Oh, that's interesting. Let me pull off this side panel here. Oh, those are in there, or not. Okay. Well, I'll take a look at that on the build. You'll get to see it. There's the back. There's a fan. Plenty of room for all my cool stuff that I'm going to stick in there. Where's it going to go on my desk though? Here's the other side. Again, you can see that tempered glass shining. This is a really slick looking case in person. Probably doesn't come across the same on the camera, but I'm really happy with the aesthetics of this so far. And then the top is like this mesh. I got a little bit better lighting on this case because it is just a magnificent looking case. I'm not real big into aesthetics most of the time. I'm focus on the power internally that the machine has, but this is just a beautiful case. Just the glass, the tempered glass, cube shape, the subtle things like the little Mean It logo here on the side that just, you can barely see it, it's just ghosted in. It is just slick looking. I like the inputs on the side. Look at this thing. Not a super expensive case either, but man, it seems really sturdy and really nice looking for the money. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the sides with a screwdriver so we can take a quick peek in, and then we'll call it good for tonight. Alright, I got the side off. Forgive the shaky cam if it gets too bad. I don't have a good panning solution yet, but there's your glass door. Really like how it comes off. Actually, you've got these, you just got holes in the glass basically, and then you've got these little posts over here, and they just sit in the posts, and then the screws just go in there. It's nice beefy little case screws there. Alright, so again, there's that cool logo on the side, just kind of ghosted in. I like that. So here's the inside of the case. Seems to be almost 2/3 on one side and 1/3 on the other side. Got a fan there. Motherboard standoffs are right here, so that's where motherboard's gonna go. Graphics card, go out that way. And then over here you can kind of see you can see 2 of the 4 fans in the front, and they have a blue RGB ring around the front, although you probably can't really tell right now, and I don't have any way to power it on at the moment, but that's gonna look cool. Alright, so there you go. First look at my Mean It 4 p.m. cube case with tinted glass sides. So tune in for the next part of the series. We'll actually be putting all this stuff together that we've been unboxing. So I look forward to you tuning in, and we will have some fun building this machine.